Here are the top 5 things you must do to get ready for a carpet cleaning. Starting off with, make sure the driveway is clear so we can get our trucks inside of it. Not every professional carpet cleaner takes the time to pre-vacuum, so make sure you take the time and vacuum it really well before the cleaner arrives. You love your pets, and we love your pets too. Just make sure you have them secured and put away when we get there, because we're going to make sure that they don't get hurt by the equipment or get lost running down the road. Make sure you pick up any loose toys, clothes, and move any little valuable breakable items. When you do a walkthrough with the carpet cleaner, make sure you point out any stubborn stains, any traffic patterns that don't seem to want to come clean, and we'll also address those pet stains. Here's 3 quick pro tips for after cleaning. Number 1, make sure you're very careful because carpets can be a little bit damp after cleaning and you can slip on a hard surface. If you decide to apply deodorizer, protector, or sealer for your carpets, your tile, or your upholstery, make sure everybody stays off it for 45 minutes. Lastly, don't forget that carpets are actually healthier than hard surfaces. Why is that? Because carpets act like a filter. However, just like a filter, you need to clean them once a year.